Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well as always. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing the new Maniology Mani by Me subscription box kit for the month of March. This is their Bloom Revival box. And in this box comes a few different things. So they actually put a card in there to kind of give you an idea of the things that you can accomplish with what is in this box and the designs that they have. And I really am looking forward to this because I am fairly new to nail stamping. So I love that they provide like little tips and tricks for you when you are first starting out doing your nail stamping. So again, this is their spring edition, so for the month of March. So each month a new theme is released exclusively for subscribers, and the boxes are available for subscribers on the 23rd of each month. So a little something to look forward to for each month. So let's go ahead and get into this box here and see what we have. And I almost forgot to mention that if you are a first-time subscriber to the box, you will receive a free stamper and a nail scraper to help you get started on your nail stamping journey. For the nail stamping portion, you want to apply the nail stamping gel about halfway onto the design that you choose. And then with your scraper, you're going to put it at a 45-degree angle, swiping it to the closest edge. And then you're going to pick up your stamper and in a rolling motion, pick that design right up. And I wanted to try the technique that they put on that little card that comes in the box. So I'm just taking this little dotting tool and just removing anything that I don't want on my nail. So I'm just going to continue to do this, and it's still a little bit wet and sticky at this point. So you don't want to move too slow, but you want to move quick enough to where it doesn't like fully dry on the stamper. So I'm going to apply this to the nail and kind of push down a little bit and just kind of roll it onto the nail. And any little oopsies or anything that comes off the nail, since this isn't like gel polish, you can clean it up with some acetone. And I wanted to take this pretty green, and where I removed those little blue dots from the stamper, I'm going to actually apply this green. And these are such pretty spring colors. I had so many ideas going on in my head. I'm like, I want to do this, I want to do that. But I was like, let me just make sure like I get this technique down. So this is definitely going to be a lot of fun to play with. So many different looks you can do with these colors and designs. And if you are new at nail stamping, I do have a more in-depth video on nail stamping and how to prep your tools and things like that. So if you are interested, I will leave that in the description box. So I'm going to continue to do this to the remaining of the nails, and then I will say that between each design, because this is like normal nail polish where it dries without a UV light, you want to go ahead and clean off your designs in between each with some acetone just to keep everything nice and clean and tidy in case you are going to be using the same design more than one time. And anything that is left on your stamper that has dried up, you can easily remove with some scotch tape or a lint roller. So a lot of easy cleanups here. There is no mistake that can't be undone because everything can be cleaned up with acetone. That's the beauty of nail stamping and nail stamping polish. And fun fact, as you can see here, you can also use this as regular polish. So a lot of fun things you can do with nail stamping kit. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of the nails, and I hope you guys enjoy this little nail stamping portion. So here is our final look. So cute. I really love the colors. And again, I had so many ideas in my head. I think I might do one with the green color being the main color. But of course, as always, I will leave everything that I used in this video and all the information about the boxes in the description box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love nail stamping or are new to nail stamping, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. I appreciate you all as always, and I will see you in the next one.